How to make pickled mackerel.
This channel is produced by Japanese chef Taka-san using a different approach compared to other culinary videos. It is to create a Japanese cuisine community for the viewers to participate in. The contents and the dishes are based on requests received from viewers and friends, a program created by the viewers for the viewers. It is a desire to solve questions and problems regarding Japanese cuisine through this Japanese cuisine community.
First, we need to prepare the mackerel. After removing the scales with your knife, cut off the head and remove the guts. Make sure to wash it well to Now we'll cut the fish into 3 sections. Cut off the area where the stomach bones and pin bones meet. Next, make a cut about halfway down the stomach bones. Time to salt the mackerel. Pour a lot of salt into a container. This technique of sticking salt to the meat is called betashio. The word comes from the Japanese word bettari, meaning clinging. Let the mackerel rest in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. The salt will draw water out of the fish, so leave the container open and cover with the screen to make sure water doesn't stick. Wash away the salt under running water after 1 hour. Dry off any remaining water with paper towels. Now, we'll pickle the mackerel in vinegar. Flip the fish after 30 minutes. Pickling both sides will take about 1 hour total. Wipe off the vinegar after 1 hour. Cut off the stomach bones and remove the pin bones with tweezers. Next, we'll peel the skin. Now, cut slits into the skin side of the fish. Finally, we'll cut the pickled mackerel into bite-sized pieces. After plating, you're all done. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel.